Hello, my name is Fina Mateo. We are here at the stand from Highlite International. Here next to me we have the latest introduction from the Odin audio systems, the side fields. We have it in cabinets of 12 and 15 inch. This is going to allow you to complete your set. If before you had a system of a line array composed by a sub that can be single or can be double, and a satellite on top, now you can expand every single corner of your event with these side fields that are going to give you the best of the outputs that they can. Please don't miss anything from here. Come visit us in ISE 2020. We will be glad to welcome you in this booth. And otherwise, you can also visit us on highlite.com.